On July 12th, Norwegian Defense Minister Bjorn Arild Gram declared that Norway intends to offer substantial military assistance to Ukraine by an additional 2.5 billion kroner, or $240 million. The defense minister specified the contents of the aid package, which will include 1,000 Black Hornet nano drones, a type of small drone designed to aid soldiers in reconnaissance, and components for NASAMS surface-to-air missile systems. These components will complement the systems that Lithuania plans to supply to Ukraine. It is worth noting that all the equipment offered in the aid package is manufactured in Norway. The Black Hornet represents a tactical reconnaissance micro-drone crafted by Teledyne FLIR. Its purpose is to equip regular soldiers with immediate and discrete situational awareness using advanced electro-optical and infrared vision technology. This micro-drone serves as a link between aerial and ground sensors, granting users a level of situational understanding similar to larger UAVs, while also featuring capabilities for detecting threats with unmanned ground vehicles. Several allied nations, including the US, France, and the UK, have widely adopted this micro-drone owing to its versatility and effectiveness. In a show of support for Ukraine's resistance against the Russian invasion, Norway and the UK had previously agreed to donate an initial shipment of these Black Hornets, as reported by Army Recognition on August 24, 2023. The cost of this initial delivery, approximately 90 million Norwegian kroner, or $9.3 million, was covered by the British-led fund, with Norway contributing 400 million Norwegian kroner, or $41.3 million. The comprehensive package included Black Hornet units, spare parts, transportation, and the necessary training to enable the Ukrainian forces to utilize these drones effectively. So why the Black Hornet drone? The selection of the Black Hornet was based on its user-friendly nature, robustness, stealthy attributes, and capability to operate seamlessly in urban environments. The Black Hornet enables operators to receive live high-definition videos and images, making it invaluable for target reconnaissance and identification and providing crucial support to soldiers on the battlefield. This investment in reconnaissance drones will significantly enhance Ukraine's capacity to monitor and identify potential threats, thereby bolstering its defense operations. The primary distinction between the Black Hornet Nano and conventional UAVs such as the Global Hawk, MQ-9 Reaper, and New Loyal Wingman lies in its size. The Black Hornet's exceptional attributes include an incredibly light design and silent operation. Prox Dynamics AS, the Norwegian company behind the creation of the Black Hornet, set out with a mission to develop, produce, and offer the world's smallest and most advanced UAV. Remarkably, the miniature unmanned helicopter has succeeded in fulfilling that vision. The Black Hornet comprises a sturdy, plastic-molded casing designed to endure turbulent winds due to its streamlined nano UAV structure. Inside its nose, the small drone discreetly houses 3 surveillance cameras. The entire PD-100 Black Hornet setup consists of a pair of UAVs and a base station. In contrast to the RQ-4 Global Hawk, which serves various military and meteorological purposes and is documented by NASA to have a wingspan exceeding 116 feet and a weight of over 13 tons, the diminutive Black Hornet measures just slightly larger than a soldier's finger. With dimensions of approximately 4 inches in length and a rotor span of almost only 5 inches, the UAV's weight is just 16 grams, including the surveillance camera. The combined weight of the complete system, excluding the display, is less than 2 pounds. The Black Hornet is specifically designed for convenient portability, allowing the entire system to be easily carried in a soldier's pocket alongside their gear. The size of the Black Hornet goes beyond just convenience. It grants the UAV the capability to carry out missions that are not feasible for its more traditional counterparts. Its ultra-compact size enables effective operation in crowded and high-risk areas. Its ability to lift off from a soldier's hand eliminates the need for a large staging area for launch. Also, its effortless ability to navigate through narrow spaces like hallways enables an individual soldier to deploy it instantly in precise locations where it is required. Additionally, the system's nearly silent operation enhances its stealth capabilities, making it both discreet and reusable. The small UAV can be quickly deployed and takes less than a minute to take off. The upgraded Black Hornet 3 model weighs 32 grams and comes with improved features, including the capability to fly in GPS-denied environments. The Black Hornet is equipped with a controllable electro-optic camera, while some sources say it boasts 3 cameras on board. FLIR Systems, in a press release describing its acquisition of Prox Dynamics in 2016, elaborates that the Black Hornet is equipped with a variety of visible spectrum and thermal imaging lenses. It also includes connections for displays and system controls. These cameras serve the dual purpose of providing a real-time video feed to the drone's operator and capturing static pictures for later analysis. The cameras can be zoomed in for a more detailed picture controlled via the base station. The Black Hornet's base station provides the operator with planning, execution, and analysis services. For ground control, the Black Hornet Nano is maneuvered by an operator using a joystick-like device. With the assistance of a digital data link, the operator can control the UAV within a line-of-sight range of 1,093 yards. Moreover, the drone features an autopilot system that offers 2 modes of operation. Not only it can be directly controlled by the operator, but also be programmed to follow a predefined path using the built-in GPS system. The Black Hornet Micro UAV is driven by a compact rechargeable battery designed to power both its horizontal and vertical rotors. Despite its small size, the drone excels in battlefield conditions as it can operate in winds of up to 15 knots and has a maximum flight endurance of 25 minutes. The Black Hornet is not only small in size, but its cost is also notably low. According to Gizmocrazed, a single unit costs just $195,000. This stands in sharp contrast to the cost of a single Reaper, which is detailed in a USAF report to be over $16 million. Consequently, the Black Hornet presents significant cost savings when utilized as a replacement for missions such as personal reconnaissance, including in high-risk scenarios like explosive ordnance disposal. For quite some time, surveillance technology has been striving to create miniature drones resembling insects. And the Black Hornet Nano has finally achieved this long-sought goal. That's all. Thanks for watching.